Hello students, today we are going to study the further topic of chapter number 4, Environmental Management. Today we are going to cover the contents such as need of environmental conservation. Next is environmental conservation, our social responsibility. Now what are the ways of environmental conservation? How we can carry on with this? With large scale participation of people, then it should become an effective public movement also, and values like affection for environment should be inculcated in children. Values like positive attitude and affection towards environment should be also done. And next is awareness among people through education, TV channels, radio, mobiles, etc. So we can use mass media also. Since existence of human, there is an interrelationship between human and environment. In order to protect our environment, various laws have been enacted by developed and developing countries. And India established a separate department known as Environmental Department for Conservation of Environment. And next is Ministry of Environment and Forest in India is also looking after the conservation of our environment. Now for human development, we have cut down forest for building factories, dams. We have also threatened biodiversity of plants and animals which cause pollution to environment. म्हणजेच जंगलतोडी करून आपण आपल्या फॅक्टरीज डॅम्स कन्स्ट्रक्ट केलेले आहेत आणि त्याच्यामुळे प्राणी आणि वनस्पती ह्यांच्या नैसर्गिक अधिवासामध्ये आपण धोका निर्माण केलेला आहे. We have also caused pollution to environment. Different types of pollutions we have created such as soil pollution, overuse of plastics, chemical fertilizers, pesticides cause soil pollution. Then water pollution also we have caused spillage of oil in ocean, harmful chemicals from factories. Air pollution also we have caused harmful gases released from factories. So in short, we have polluted our environment. Now environmental conservation is also our social responsibility. How we can achieve it? Interrelationship between environment and humans. Humans have intelligence higher than animals, and humans started exploiting environment. So by using our intelligence, human beings has interfered with the environment and they have deteriorated the environment. Hence, humans must help restore and conserve the environment for better future. Now, how we can conserve our environment? What is our social responsibility? For going nearby places, we should not use vehicles. We should not use car, bike, bus, etc. We can use bicycle instead of using all this. Then we should practice 3R mantras. R means reduce the waste. We should not make much waste. Then reuse. We can reuse the waste materials also, and recycling of waste materials can be also achieved. For example, glass and paper. Then next, we can plant or grow more and more trees. We can also save water. We have to shop wisely, and we should not pass chemicals in water. Then educate or create awareness is also our social responsibility. So we have covered all these two topics. Thank you very much.